There are infinite options when designing the front and back cover of our photo book. Today we're going to have a look at one great idea. This is a minimal design where we can see some photos on the front and back cover. We have included the title on the cover. Now let's have a look how we can achieve this on the software. First we're going to add a coloured background. Then we add an object box and edit the dimensions so it becomes a small square. We place it on the left side of the back cover. Now we are going to copy and paste it until we have 8 of them in a line. Don't worry if they're not distributed equally, as we are going to use the software tool for that. The final box needs to be at the end of the right side of our cover. Now we have selected all of them and aligned center vertically. Afterwards we distribute them horizontally so they have the same space between them. Perfect! Now we place the photos over the fill boxes. And add a white frame, which we can apply to all objects on the current page. Finally, we add the title on our cover. And it's done!